Ever wonder how we get our grub on in the military? Spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's the Defense Logistics Agency. Yeah, DLA. DLA hooks us up with everything from MREs, aka meals ready to eat, to field kitchens, to tasty food and chow halls. We're talking millions of meals worldwide. Behind every bite is a complex logistical operation. DLA buys and ships food to tough places. Desert, jungle, middle of the ocean. No problem. They get it to the right place at the right time. So next time you see a soldier, sailor, airman, marine, or guardian chowing down, remember, DLA's got our back and our snacks. DLA, feeding the force, energizing the mission. Let's eat! DLA, the nation's logistics combat support agency.